Hey guys, it's Hannah Sky. So I'm going to be using the same edit that you saw me make earlier. And what we're going to do today is we're going to make a PSD. So PSD is the Photoshop file basically that can keep layers and everything in place. These are also used to create what we call PSD colorings, and you've probably seen them all over the place like DeviantArt and Tumblr, and also my page and other resource sites. So what you do is obviously you've got your image. This can be a little bit tricky and it is down to each person's preference, but as you can see in this bottom right corner you've got layers, channels, paths. Don't worry about them. All you want to do is worry about these buttons on the bottom that I'm showing you just above my my time and date. So this one is mask. Don't need to worry about that one. This one, however, you do. This is going to be your adjustment tools. So this is where you get layered versions of your adjustments. So this can be color adjustments, hue adjustments, anything like that. This is where you create your PSDs. So I mean, it really does depend on what approach you're going for, what you're looking for. So this kind of layout I'd say probably needs a bit more color. So first of all I would go with hue and saturation, and your little bit pops up here. Sometimes you can, if you really don't want it there, you can drop it and pull it out and then pop it back in if you really want to, but for this purpose I'm just gonna do what I normally do. So I just want a bit more colour, so to begin with I'm just going to up the saturation and just leave it as that. And then the next one that I'm going to do will be brightness and contrast. Again, it just whacks a layer on and it pops it here. So then I want it a little bit brighter. Maybe actually we'll do that another round. So I want it a little bit darker but a bit more contrast. And then just keep going with it as you want. So curves, I want it a bit brighter, I want it down a bit and then up. Maybe that actually. Oh, press one button. So that just minimizes, by the way, the two arrows just collapses it into one icon. And then like literally just keep playing around with it. This is a good thing about Photoshop, is that you literally just can play with colors or the style that you want. Oh, I've done it again. It's because I'm not used to it being there. That's what it is. And you can literally just add whatever you feel you want to put on there. Oh, that's not that one. Oh no, that is the right one. Don't know if I want that on there. No, let's remove that one. So if you just want to remove it, you literally just right click and delete it, or you press the little trash can down here at the bottom, or just delete on your keyboard. Sometimes gradients do work, sometimes they don't. It really depends on how you want to do it. I sometimes do use a solid colour, so say a grey, and then like soft light it or whatever you want to do with it. Just play around with this button here to see what you like and what you don't like, and just play it, like I say, just play around with it. That's the whole fun of PSDs, that they're all totally different. No one's going to have the same one unless you're physically trying to make it the same as someone. I don't think I have any decent pans. No, I don't. Color lookup is a really good idea, and it comes with presets. So if you wanted a particular colour or style, it will literally, you can just use that and it can assist with your colouring. So like that's made mine really vibrant, so I can actually like just tone it down a little bit. And once I'm happy with it, so say now I'm just going to drag that back over. Now that I'm happy with it, what I can do is, let me write that up a bit, is then I leaving myself clicked on that one, and then going to press my shift tab on my keyboard and just press the bottom one while holding it. And then what you want to do is you want to go right click, and then you want to group from layers, and then just put on here anything you like, and there you go, and that's your PSD folder. So as soon as you take it off, it changes the colour. And then obviously if you want to make it coloured, then you've got these colours at the bottom if you want to make it fancy, but you don't have to. But that is essentially how you make a PSD, and like I say, you can play around with things. You can play around with effects, filters, anything you name it, to make your PSD the style that you want. So I hope this video has been informative as well as helpful. If you've got any questions, as always, please comment below or message me on roleplayer.me. All links are in the description, and I'll catch you guys soon. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe and like this video. Thank you.